Okay, my name is Emmanuel Leon Christian. My Chinese name is Tian, and I make a design kitchen timer with Arduino Uno, and this is the program.
And then here are the import the library from the 7 segment. We input this library, two of the, and this one is the melody library from the do re mi fa sol la si do. And then here is the main program. We import the library before and make some variables defined here, and that is the push button and the pin that we use in this program, and the button is the melody of the tone of alarm. Okay, the tone is including 42. And then in the void setup we make the pin mode for the push button including input pull up, and this the program in void loop contain the start for the alarm, and the delay is 10. This is the mode 0 for the setting alarm, and then that is the display for the 7 segment. And this is the mode 1 for the countdown to the 0 number. And if in 0 number, the tone will play the music. And for now we upload the program. Udah upload.
Masih di Anda ya, masih saya.
Ya, di sini.
Iya.
Okay. If we make 1 minute and 2 seconds, just push the button. Mulai start. Okay, the countdown will be start. And okay, here is the 5 seconds again. The tone will be played. Okay, if we want to stop the music, use this button. Hold for a while. Okay.
Okay, thank you.